Hello everyone, welcome to Sparkflows video tutorial sessions. Today we are going to discuss topic modeling. Topic modeling finds out the top words from the topics present in the corpus of dataset like customer complaints, product review or product search terms in e-commerce site. We shall use a machine learning algorithm named LDA for performing topic modeling. So let's build a very simple topic modeling workflow. We are inside the project dashboard. Now we are going to the workflow designer. Let's create a workflow. Let's name it as topic model test v1. Okay. Let's save it. The very first step in creating a topic model workflow is to fetch data. So we shall read the data from a CSV file. So let's drag the CSV node here and let's select our file. Here we shall focus on a telco dataset, which actually contains various types of customer complaints. So let's select that dataset. Let's actually retain the headers so that we can select the relevant columns. So let's not drop the column names. Everything else looks fine. Let's just try to see what all columns we have. Wonderful. So let's view sample data set. Here we can see it shows like various types of customer complaints along with various other types of columns, but we are primarily interested in customer complaint because it contains really rich data set. It talks about various types of issues faced by the customers and we want to analyze that. Great. So next we want to select the customer complaint column. So let's create a node called select columns. Now this select column node, we shall select the customer complaint column. Wonderful. After selecting the customer complaint, now we need to tokenize the data contained in this textual field. So in order to convert the input string to lowercase and then split it by some type of separator, we can use an existing node named Tokenizer. So Tokenizer is a concept of NLP, which is natural language processing, which we'll discuss later on in future video. This Tokenizer node is available under feature transformers, which is part of SparkML library. So let's quickly configure the Tokenizer node. So here we select the output of the previous node, which is customer complaint, and let's rename the outputs as tokens because it will emit tokens. Okay. Next, we need to count the tokens. We need to calculate the term frequency. So the node that can help us achieve this goal is called count vectorizer. Again, this is part of the feature extraction category under SparkML. So let's connect these two steps. Okay. And let's then configure count vectorizer. The input column here is the output of the previous step, that is tokens. Let's rename the output, which is nothing but vectors. Vectors of, let's put 5 here, vectors of terms frequencies. Great. So let's save the workflow. Okay, now the final and the most exciting step is LDA. Like we mentioned earlier, LDA will help us actually find out the topic by applying some unsupervised statistical methodology on these term frequencies. And LDA stands for latent Dirichlet allocation. In LDA, the word latent indicates the hidden topics present in the data, and Dirichlet represents a distribution of probability values such that when they are plotted and this sums up to 1. Great. So we have selected the number of topics to be created. Let's make it 5. We have specified a type of optimizer to be used for the LDA model, and let's set that topic mixture distribution per document as 10. Let's put some seed value here, the maximum terms per topic as 5. So we are good to go. Let's save this workflow. Boom. Now let's execute it. Okay. So the job has started, the workflow is running, and we see that node dataset CSV step has fetched the data from this particular CSV file, and it has generated the output data set. Then the next node, the column filter, has read the data from the input data set and generated customer complaint as the output. And next, the tokenizer actually read the data from customer complaint and generated an array of tokens. And next, the count vectorizer actually generated a vector of term frequencies. And finally, the LDA node has read the data from the vectors and generated topics. Wonderful. Like in this first topic, we see it talks about billing and Comcast as expected. In the second topic, the most interesting discussion is around internet, and the third topic is about the service and Comcast. Okay, so that concludes our topic modeling session. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please go ahead and use the Sparkflows free community version and create your own workflow. Thank you so much for attending the session. Bye.